Alright, we've got some double trouble here today and a little kit review. And when I say a little kit, I mean a little kit. So we've got two of these exactly the same, Hasegawa. I'll set this one aside. So the story here is I ordered this from Amazon. I wasn't eligible for Prime for whatever reason. And I think I paid like 28 bucks. 28 bucks. This was when I was young and inexperienced in the new world of models. So anyways, so I ordered the kit, and then it got sent out. I hadn't received it yet, but then I just happened to see it on Amazon for 12 bucks. So, if a kit goes down in price between the time I order it and whatever, by a few bucks, that's one thing. That's okay. I mean, whatever. But, to go from like 30 bucks down to 12 bucks, that was a bit much to take. So anyway, so I sent a message off to the seller. And, the usual thing, wait 48 hours. If you don't hear back, contact Amazon. So I didn't hear back, so I contacted Amazon. I was honest with them. I said, I want to return this because I see the price from the same vendor. Now it's only 12 bucks. Anyways, bada bing, bada boom. The customer service person said, okay, fine, we'll go ahead and process you. I was just asking, how do I proceed? And they said, oh, well, we'll go ahead and we'll process you a refund. I'm like, oh, okay, great. No fuss, no muss. And then I said, what should I do? How do I send back the other kit? And they said, don't worry about it, just keep it. So somebody ate it. Anyways, as you'll see, I wouldn't say this kit's worth $28, but it is worth more like $12. So here we go. So 1700 German submarine, U-boat 7C and 9C. It's the Waterline series, number 901, in the Hasegawa catalog. And for those who aren't familiar with the Waterline series, it means they have a flat bottom. They don't have the regular keel and propellers and shafts and all that stuff. So they're pretty good. They're great for dioramas. So anyways, and you get two U-boats here. So unassembled model kit, warning, all rights reserved, 1987. Nice artwork on the back, paint scheme. Obviously for U-boats it was gray and grayer with some rust thrown in. And that's it. So much for the box. I already opened this, so don't be disappointed. Came in a sealed plastic bag, everything all together. Instruction sheet on, how to apply decals, little tips, and so on and so forth. And as I said, you get parts for two U-boats. And you also get parts for a ship that's been torpedoed in half and sinking. I don't know if they show a photo of it here. There it is. So you got the two U-boats here and the ship that's been blown in half and is sinking. So there you go, there's the two halves. So there's not much to the kit really at all. There's the bottom part. 1700, you know, actually there's quite a bit of detail on the deck here. But yeah, not much to the kit at all. So, you know, even at 2 for $1, $12, yeah. So, yeah, so that worked out to be an alright deal after all. It's just I have 2 of them. So, you know, so that means 4 U-boats, 2 other sinking ships. So, anyways, I'm not going to rate this kit. It is what it is. There's some pretty decent detail on the sails or conning tower. Some very small guns. A couple of other teeny parts. And then the rest is kind of masts and antennas and stuff like that. So that'll make for a little diorama at some point, or 2. And, you know, quick afternoon build if I'm bored but don't want to get into anything really major. No information on the U-boats at all. Unless there's something here. No, this is all tips on assembly and procedures and so forth. Okay, so just one page, 4 steps. Step 1 is U-boat number 1. Step 2, U-boat number 2. And step 3 is the sinking ship. That's it. Nothing too complicated. So I'm seeing what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks like about 8 parts a piece for the U-boats. So yeah, I'm sure glad I didn't pay $28 for that. So beware of what you're getting. Go to ScaleMates. So yeah, I'm not going to give that a rating. It's just kind of a show and tell here. Just a very quick one. And let me see. I don't even think there's any decals. No decals. So I'll have to find the German Navy flag. Well, let me see. Nope, no decals. They show you the flags here, but they're way too big. And so I don't know what you're supposed to do with that. Anyways, they show it on here, but I didn't see any decals inside. So anyways, yeah, so it is what it is. Nothing against Hasegawa. It's just a tiny little kit. It'll be great for a little diorama, little sea diorama. Wouldn't take up much space and be a little fun on an afternoon. Okay, so that's it for this little one. And once again, as always, thanks so much to my subscribers and all my other viewers. I really appreciate it. We're up to 80 subscribers now, so I'm glad that some people are finding what I'm doing useful and informative and enjoyable. And I'm going to put this up. There's no reason not to really delay it. And tomorrow, Sunday, October 22nd, I'm going to attempt my first live stream. So we'll see how that goes. Everyone will be welcome. There'll be a poll on what kit I should build next. And a couple of other little things. Alright, so thanks so much for joining me again. And have a great day.